friends, welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate. Today I'm going to share a recipe for pad thai with chicken and shrimps. You could always substitute chicken and shrimps with tofu and make it a vegetarian version. So for that I'm going to first thing boil the water to cook these rice noodles. So I have kept the water to boil, and once it comes to rolling boil I'm going to add these and cook for about 5 minutes, and then we'll start the process for making actual pad thai noodles. The noodles I'm using are rice noodles, and they're particularly used for the pad thai. You can see they're flattish, okay, as compared to the regular Hakka noodles. And now you can see the water is already boiling. To that I'm going to add the noodles and just boil for until they just get tender. So it will take about 4 to 5 minutes, and right away I'm going to drain them and spread it on a tray or something so that they won't stick to each other. So I'm going to put the timer on now for 5 minutes. So for the pad thai noodles, I'm going to start actually stir frying the chicken first, shrimps first, and then we'll saute the vegetables. So I've taken about 1 tablespoon of oil. To that I'm going to add about tablespoon of ginger and garlic minced. It's not paste, it's a minced ginger and garlic, finely chopped. And to that I'm going to add about 300 grams of chicken and boneless chicken breast. It's a little over half a pound, I would say. I'm going to saute this until you see that chicken is cooked. About 5 to 7 minutes it should take to cook the chicken. And then I'm going to take it out in a bowl again. So it's been exactly 7 minutes that I was stir frying the chicken. You can see it's gotten a little whitish. That's when you know it's cooked. So now I'm going to take it out in the same bowl. So I've taken about 15 shrimps now, medium size, and I had added 1 teaspoon of oil again, and I'm just going to saute this for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can see the shrimps are done. They're curled up now, and it's been 3 minutes that I've been sauteing them. I'm going to take them out again in a bowl. In the same wok I've taken again tablespoon of oil. To that I'm adding about tablespoon and a half of ginger and garlic minced. Saute this for 30 to 40 seconds. To this I'm going to add the spring onions, the white portion of it, not the green but the white by the base one. And I'm also going to add the peppers, which I have cut into like 2 inches long and thin strips. Keep sauteing them. Keep the flame on medium-high. So I'm going to make the sauce for the pad thai noodles now. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of tamarind concentrate, about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. That's why I didn't add salt initially. About 2 tablespoons of chili garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This you can find it in any grocery store, and I'm going to whisk the sauce. Okay. This I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm going to mix this sauce now. Like so. Sauce is ready. To the red bell peppers I'm going to add the chicken again that we had already cooked, stir fried before, and also our shrimps. Then I'm going to add the noodles that we had kept aside, cooked and left aside to cool it down. So to that I'm going to add the bean sprouts, which are mung sprouts that you get in the market. You can always make these also. स्प्राउट युअर रेग्युलर मूग, जे मूग असतात त्यांना स्प्राउट करून तुम्ही हे वाढवू शकता. But you can get it in the grocery store as well. Keep stirring this. I'm going to add the noodles now. As I told you, I had drizzled some oil over it. So now they are nicely separated. You can see they're not sticking to each other. Now I'm going to add the sauce to this and start mixing this. Make sure the entire noodles get covered properly. So now the noodles are almost ready. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts to this. I'm going to keep some for garnishing, and I'm going to add the greens, the spring onions, the green portion of it, and your pad thai noodles are ready. Only thing is you have to gather the ingredients for the sauce, otherwise it doesn't take that long because it doesn't have too many vegetables either. You can always add green bell peppers if you want. It's that simple and easy. And I'm going to show you after the plating. And for the vegetarians, you can always skip the fish sauce and keep everything else, and you can add the tofu and add the number of vegetables that you like. Green bell pepper, zucchini, anything you want, and make it interesting. So our chicken and shrimp pad thai is ready to be served. The recipe is in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Heart to Palate.